Hey, little rail fan here on Sunday in downtown Minneapolis here by the scrap yards. Wanted to walk this a long time. I walked way down there a long time ago. One time. Went down across the river, but I'm gonna come on down here and have a time of our life. Put these out after the sports show coming up. Coming up this Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we're downtown Minneapolis here, Canadian Pacific. It goes all the way down that bridge across the river, the Mighty Mo is parallel to my left here. It's a great day. Of course, leave all their crap aside. They don't, clean up after themselves. So, yeah, this kind of leads to lovely and talented the Red Star Tribune. To my right over here is 94 Washington Avenue. I've come down here once in a while for some recycling, not all the time, but anyways, they built these apartments right here. It used to be Broadway Pizza, great place. I used to eat there all the time with tip. It was $10 for all the pizza you wanted and spaghetti and stuff. Till we got some snow, it melted. We got, I don't know, 7 to 6 inches. But yeah, it's a great day for rail fanning, walking around. I started all the way down there, but figured I'd just do like two this way and whatever. But yeah, it's just a great day for rail fanning. It always is. You can go walk around, It's a good thing. It's always fun. So yeah, this gets used. I've seen Canadian Pacific. I've seen them a few times. Come down here. I was wondering one day how to get over here, and it goes all the way down across the bridge over there by Boom Island, kind of. I'm gonna walk this someday, and I had a chance today. And got off work early, and figured, what the hell? It's already March already. This will be out in August, like I said. I figured put the sports show up and then put this up. So I was at the sports show. It's a lot of fun. But yeah, just get a lot of rail here, you can tell. But yeah, they put those apartments up. That was a nice lot there. There was a caboose they had in the front. Someone's screaming. I don't know where that's coming from. But you can kind of tell it's got some old ties. Yeah, there's a lot of the rails I want to walk on, but you can only do so much rail and train spotting. But yeah, we got a lot of snow. I'm glad I was able to get this out of the way. I don't want to go in the evenings or during the week. There's too many people around, so I can park there and get it done. But yeah, it's March already, and Hunch is hard at it. Executive orders this, executive orders that. My wife's got the countdown to his last day in office on the computer. Love it. Yeah, we're going across Broadway here. No, I don't pull that rail up. They'll use it. Recycle it. But yeah, it connects the main line behind me, which I walked across that railroad bridge a while ago. I think a year ago. Walked across it. Had a lot of views. But here we go. Walk across the mill so I don't feel like breaking an ankle. See, kind of there's the old Mighty Mo over there. The deck overlooking the tracks. Going this way. Not too much. Graffiti. Just enough, right? Now we gotta be careful here. We don't want to fall through, do we? No. All kinds of trash. Yeah, recycling company over here, steel. You can tell that. Trash over here, some homeless people live over here. They finally cleaned that one off of Cedar Avenue, 17th, under the socialist train. Finally got rid of that son of a gun. That was an absolute mess. So, yep. All kinds of crap. Yeah. Yep. Gotta like that, huh? Shoes. Never know. People love to just trash the railroad. Yeah, nothing like a nice walk with a cigar. Railroad tracks. A lot of rails go around in this town. We're here. This is a pipe place. You can tell they probably over here loaded from the side here. You know, when you gotta go, you gotta go. Trying to get my crank out. Yep. Yep. Have to wait between videos, but when you're doing the rail fan, you can just pee. Yeah, because it goes past over here and goes down. You can tell how old these tracks are. But they still get used hauling in paper. I think this is a recycling company right here. I think it is. I think it's called Kirschbaum's, I think. And you can tell the rail stops there. I don't know why they don't just pull it up. Yep. Little rail fanning, train spotting, smoking a cigar. We always say, smoke 'em if you got 'em, right? Never know. Did that one rail fan at one time, or 94, and a train came by at one time. That was kind of cool. Yeah. There's some nice graffiti there. All kinds of plastic up there. Garbage galore. Yeah, we got some nice snow on Wednesday. I ran all the fuel out of my snowblower. More metal, more trash. The urine bottle right over there. Anyways, I'm gonna go over there and take a pee. Hide the crank, right? So anyways, go over here, take a pee, walk across that road. You can tell someone's asleep back in here. Anyways, guys, nature calls. I gotta take a pee, all right? I'll talk to you next one.